Okay, now let me introduce the screen for you. This one is LCD screen. You will see the 4 button. See the first line. This line is the setting data. Second line is real data, real running data. This is speed adjuster. This is RCF, router number, program number. Okay, let's try to setting the parameter from this knob. Press it, you will see it shaking. And turn to adjust the data. Finished and press again. Okay, next. Setting time. Press to confirm. Setting temperature. Confirm. This is speed. Adjust. Router number. You can set different router number. This one is 93. Press to confirm. This knob is to set the program. Press, you will see this flashing. To set. Press to confirm.